my name is Isabel and I work for the Sunshine Coast Wildlife Project. Today I'm going to show you how to make a swallow box. So first you're going to need to start with all of your supplies, and you'll need a pair of scissors and a drill. First off, we're going to cut off the tape and lay out all of the different pieces of the box. When you have all your pieces laid out in front of you, take the back that looks like a house and one of the side pieces. And so we're going to put them together to make sure that the beveled edge lines up exactly with where the roof is going to be. And you'll see that there is a space at the bottom here. And so you want to just line up the side with the bottom pencil line there. And you can grab a friend if needed to help you hold it in place. I recommend just popping your screws in. And there you go. Next you'll do the other side, making sure that the beveled edge fits nicely with the roof and the printing is facing inside. And there you go. So all of the printing facing inside and an inch or so of space at the bottom so that it matches up with this pencil mark. And next up we'll put the floor in. So the floor should have a slice that says to back, and then there should be printing that says up. So you're going to want to slide that in. And then you'll turn it on its side and start with drilling one of the side pieces in, making sure that it is tight with all of the edges. And then flip to the other side. And then lastly, you'll put one screw in the back. And there's the bottom. And then you will take the front that has a nice little hole. The writing will be facing the inside of the house. And you want that to be nice and flush, so it should fit perfectly at the bottom here and with the sides, so that'll join to the roof. On either side, and then you'll do one on the front. And there's your house without a roof. So lastly, we'll put the roof on. Now you'll note that the roof overlaps. So there's this part here that says to roof number 6. This is roof number 6. This part says to roof number 5. They go on just like that, but this way. So roof number 5 needs to be slightly above, and roof number 6 is flush. So we're gonna do this one first. So these two screws are going to go in sideways, and this one will be going straight up and down. There you go, and then you take this piece, which should fit over top nicely. And there you have it, one swallow box.